Namaste. Welcome to Ankanish Creations. You all know I love to do t-shirt paintings. There are quite a few t-shirt painting videos on my channel, and also I like to do landscape paintings a lot, especially the sunset silhouette landscape painting. So this time I'm combining both of them and making a sunset silhouette landscape painting on a t-shirt. It's a really simple design, but it was a little bit of work on a fabric because the fabric wrinkles when we try to blend the colors together, but I'm happy with the outcome. If you want to see what the outcome was, then let's start with the video. So first I'm taking this washi tape and मैं roughly एक outline बना रही हूँ with this, forming a rectangle. If you want you can measure and make it a proper outline, but I'm just doing it roughly. And then we will go in with fabric paints. I have the link in the description below for this fabric paints. Insert something thick between the fabric of t-shirt so that the paint does not leak through the leak on the other side of the t-shirts. And now we are ready to paint. So I'm starting by spraying some water inside the rectangle to make the fabric little bit wet so that it helps in blending. Now I'm taking yellow fabric paint and will start from the right bottom corner of the rectangle. This is the first time where I have tried making a landscape or making any kind of shading on fabric, so I had my struggles. As you can see, when I'm trying to spread the color, the fabric is wrinkling. And so what I figured out, if you stretch the fabric with your hands like I'm doing so, it is more easy to spread the color than just doing it without stretching it. Once I'm done with the yellow color, I'm adding little bit of red in the yellow to make the orange shade, and then I'm trying to apply it on the fabric, and also I will try to blend the yellow and orange shade later on. When I started filming this video, I was like, landscape painting है, sunset silhouette है, मस्त मज़ा आता है वो करने में, fabric पे तो फटाफट हो जाएगा. But it was really different case, like it is on paper. मस्त अच्छा learning experience था. So as you can see, I'm trying to blend these two shades here, and I'm also trying to add some yellow in the orange part to make it look like sunset landscape, and then I'll add little bit darker shade on top of the orange. Once I'm done with the shading, I'll let this dry completely, and then I'm going to add some palm leaves silhouette with black fabric paint. this is how the painting looks till now, and now it's time to remove the washi tapes. Now this is optional, but I thought of adding some black border to the painting because I think it will look good. And we are done with our t-shirt painting. Now I'll let the colors dry for 72 hours, laying the t-shirt flat on a surface. And also, if you want to wash it, I would recommend hand wash, turning the t-shirt inside out so that the colors are more long lasting. Now I don't like to waste my paints, so I'm using the leftover colors for painting my kid's cap. So I'm making a background first, and then I will be writing Hola on top with black fabric paint. Hola means hello in Portuguese. We're going to Lisbon, Portugal in February for a vacation, so I thought it would be a good DIY for the vacation. And this is how the cap turned out. I really like it.
Oh wow! मम्मा मुझे दिखाओ.
हाँ दिखाती हूँ. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Hit that like button if you do, and you can comment down below if you have any queries related to this video, or if you have any requests for future videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. I would like you to join in my creative journey where I want to try new arts and crafts and learn new things and improve my skills. So subscribe. Bye. Love being creative. I'm going to be painting a sunset landscape. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm very happy with the outcome. Related to this video, or